Hi guys, I'm here again with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make 3 last minute and quick Mother's Day gifts, in case you were scrambling for some last minute gift ideas or what to get your mom for Mother's Day. I hope these help spark an idea. So all of these items that you're going to see in this video, well, they were all purchased from the Dollar Tree, so that makes these gifts very budget friendly. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first gift idea is this basic kitchen essential kit. And in this kit we have just a few towels, some pot holders, and we throw in a snack just for a little bit extra. So I picked up this snack trail mix from the Dollar Tree, along with 2 towels and 4 pot holders. So all in all, this gift only cost about $7. I did use ribbons for this gift idea, but I already had my ribbons on hand. So if you do need ribbons, you may want to consider buying that from the Dollar Tree or some other craft store, but I had mine on hand. So what I'm doing here is I am just removing the tags from the pot holder and layering the pot holders. So the mitten pot holders are on the bottom, and the regular pot holders, which have like a section in them, are gonna envelope the mittens, if that makes sense. Then I'm taking my towels and I'm just wrapping all of the pot holders. I'm enveloping all of the pot holders in the towels. And you see I have the same type of towels. I just bought them in 2 different colors, black and white, and I'm about to do the same thing with the red and white. I'm gonna use the red and white towel and envelope all the other pot holders and the black and white towel in that. I hope that makes sense. So once I've enveloped basically the entire gift, I am taking the red and white towel and I'm folding that just a little bit halfway through, towards the bottom of, or the midsection of the gift, and then I'm overlapping the black and white towel over that, as you can see here. And that's pretty much it. The next step is basically to take my snack, my trail mix, and I insert it into the pocket of the pot holder, and that's it. I then wrap my gift in some wrapping ribbon, and I had pink ribbon and I thought it would be a good color to go with Mother's Day theme, so I just used some real thick pink ribbon that I already had on hand, and I made a bow, or 2 bows in this case, because I made a double bow because I had extra length in my ribbon, and that was pretty much it. And once the ribbon is done, that's it. That's the entire gift, and it cost me $7 for this gift, and I think it looked pretty good. And in the end here, I'm just using my ribbon to create a little curl in the end of, or the loose ends of my ribbon, just to make it lie a little bit better. So I just used the edge of my scissors to give it a little curl for a better presentation, if you will. And this is what the gift looks like. It turned out pretty well in my opinion. So the next gift idea is this spa basket, and for that I basically picked up a few items that I thought would do well for a spa basket. So I picked up a couple of bars of body soap, some tissue. I also picked up 2 scented candles. I do not remember the scent or what the name of the candles were for that matter, but I do remember them smelling really good, so I picked up 2 of those. I also picked up a container of travel size body wash and body butter. I got some nail polish because she loves doing her nails. I picked up some shredded decorative paper to go inside the basket, a manicure set. It contains a file, some scissors, and I also picked up a foot file. And of course, I picked up this metal tin, which I picked up from the floral section of Dollar Tree. I think all of this came to about $12, I want to say. but it's still pretty affordable in my opinion as a Mother's Day gift. So of course here I'm just filling in my container with my shredded decorative paper, and the next step is of course pretty simple. You basically place your items in your container the best way they can fit to make it look pretty. Alright, so once I'm done placing my items to my preference, I then put the entire basket in a basket bag. And I forgot to mention, I also needed basket bags. At the Dollar Tree, they come two in a pack for $1. So that adds another dollar to the $12 or whatever, making this gift $13. But I think it still came out below $15, which is very good in my opinion. I apologize for the lighting here. My camera died and then the lighting was off. But basically, after I put the basket into the bag, I cut off what I thought was extra from the top of the basket bag, and the sides had a little bit of space, so as you can see here, I'm just taping down the sides as well with clear tape, so it makes it a little bit tighter fit. And once I've done that, I'm using the same pink ribbon that I used in the first gift idea. I'm using it on this basket as well and just tying it into a very big bow. Alright, so once my bow is done, as you can see, the paper is a little bit crumbled, so I'm just basically opening up the paper so the bows are nice and crisp and they're big, and I am running my finger along the loose ends of the bow so that, and the ribbons, so that it lays flat. Once I've done that, I'm taking my scissors and I'm basically cutting the loose ends of the ribbon diagonally. So that it gives it a better cut. So rather than cutting straight across, I basically cut at an angle diagonally. And that's the gift. That's a basket for $15 or less. The last gift idea is this simple glammed up frame. I picked up this frame from the Dollar Tree, as well as some decorative ribbon. As you can see here, it looks like diamond, the bling ribbon. I think I picked that up from the Dollar Tree as well. So all in all, this gift cost me about $3 because you need the frame, the bling wrap, and I also picked up some decorative gems. I'm showing here that you can use something like super glue. It's up to you. It didn't really work for me for this project. I ended up using my glue gun, and I did forget to mention you also need a glue gun and some glue sticks for this project. If you don't have glue gun and glue sticks, I do believe Dollar Tree sells them. So this gift could end up costing you about $5 to $6, still less than $10. So first things first, I'm taking my frame and I've already cut out a piece of my bling wrap that's, you know, the length and width of my frame, or the top of my frame. And what I'm doing here is I'm applying some hot glue to that, and I'm just a dab on one end of the ribbon, and I'm placing that down on my frame. And then I'm also gonna do the same thing on the other end, just a little dab of hot glue and stick that, and I stretched the ribbon a bit so that it gave a tight fit. So here I have my ribbon and I'm using that to measure the length of the frame, and I think the length and width, I don't remember the length, but the width were about 3 columns or rows of the ribbon. So I'm basically cutting out 3 rows of the ribbon so it fits the length and width of my frame. And I'm basically going to do that for the entire frame, and I'll be back when my frame is fully covered. So here I am, and the frame is fully covered in my bling wrap. And so the next step is to take, this step is optional really. I mean, the frame looks pretty without the decorative gem, but I thought it gave it a little bit more of a chic look, just adding that one decorative gem to the top of the frame. So I'm adding one decorative gem and I'm basically adhering that with some hot glue. Like I said, you could use E6000 or super glue, but that didn't really stick for me. I mean, it could have stuck if I had the patience, but I wanted something to work really fast for the sake of the video, and so I used my hot glue. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Those are the 3 quick and easy Mother's Day gift ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see any other type of video along that line, please drop me a comment in the box below and you will see me in the next video. Stay blessed.